8 amazing gadgets and inventions of 2020 that are at another level. Make sure to watch until the end because it's one of the most amazing videos I've ever seen. Warns you as soon as your levels of concentration and awareness start to drop. According to the National Sleep Foundation's Sleep in America poll, 60% of adult drivers, about 168 million people, say they have driven a vehicle while feeling drowsy in the past year, and more than a third have actually fallen asleep at the wheel. In fact, of those who have nodded off, 13% say they have done so at least once a month. 4%, approximately 11 million drivers, admit they have had an accident or near accident because they dozed off or were too tired to drive. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration conservatively estimates that 100,000 police-reported crashes are the direct result of driver fatigue each year. This results in an estimated 1,550 deaths, 71,000 injuries, and $12.5 billion in monetary losses. These figures may be the tip of the iceberg, since currently it is difficult to attribute crashes to sleepiness. That is why we have designed Stop Sleep. Yes, Stop Sleep will alert you when it recognizes that you are too tired to drive safely. But more importantly, Stop Sleep will alert you as soon as it notices that you are starting to lose your concentration. Stop Sleep will alert you at the first signs of a drop in awareness, activating even before you reach the dangerous state of microsleep, ensuring you always remain alert and safe at the wheel. Number 7. Mary. Mary, the ultimate indoor garden with automation and uncompromising design. Grow any fresh produce like you would in the future. Efficient and effortless. Adaptive automated growing with artificial intelligence. Dual electrochromic doors. Multi-directional lighting system. Pop and pour nutrients. External LED illumination and nightlight. In-app access and control anytime, anywhere. We believe that you should be able to grow what you want, when you want, and where you want. However, as we move into smaller living spaces and become busier, growing is getting harder for the average person. Many of us who do have time and space to grow have tried. Some fell in love with it and more gave up. There are a lot of challenges: watering, lighting, pests, temperature, and fertilizers. You want harvest to be abundant and efforts rewarding. But do you find a solution to all of these problems? Temperature, humidity, water level, brightness, nutrients, and many other factors are important to your plant's health and happiness. Traditional growing means expertly tailoring growing conditions to your particular plant. Number 6. Armor 9. Every moment you carry bulky devices, open, probe, work, retrieve, and bringing you a terrible experience which severely limits our working efficiency. As engineers, adventurers, travelers, and technicians, we believe there should be a more practical and smarter handheld device to help us in our work and lives. So we designed Ulefone Armor 9, the world's first industrial-grade rugged smartphone. Definitely not. Our mission is to provide convenience for all people's life and work. In addition to powerful industrial applications, the Ulefone Armor 9 is a versatile, rugged smartphone that applies to everyone. Number 5. Focals. We are excited to announce today that North has been acquired by Google. We founded North, then Thalmic Labs, in 2012 with an optimistic vision for the future in which technology becomes an invisible, helpful part of our everyday experience. Technology seamlessly blended into your world, immediately accessible when you want it, but hidden away when you don't. Early on, our focus was on new forms of interaction with Mayo, a gesture-based input device that directly coupled neuromuscular impulses into signals computers could understand. We then shifted focus to Focals, our everyday smart glasses with direct retinal projection and prescription compatibility. Over the last while, it became clear that aligning with Google would significantly advance our shared vision. This acquisition is a terrific fit for North, and importantly, we're staying here in the Kitchener-Waterloo. We're proud to have grown our company in the Kitchener-Waterloo region and are thankful for the tremendous support we've received from the community. We are looking forward to remaining in this region with Google. Number 4. Gribbs Bisky. The Bisky is truly unique as a single-seat or single-plus pillion twin-jet HSA motorcycle. It is a world's first in many ways. At just 2.3 meters long and under 1 meter wide, it is the smallest of all Gibbs high-speed amphibious platforms and very probably the most technically advanced. It represents true freedom for the individual. Serious fun. Number 3. Cosori Coffee Warmer. A warm companion to your cup. Don't let your coffee cool just because you're busy working. When you're whisked away for meetings or appointments, your coffee stays cozy. Once you return, it's right where you left it, on the warmer at just the right temperature. Enjoy your afternoon pick-me-up at your preferred temperature all day long. Tea time or downtime. Keep a mug of tea at the right temperature throughout tea time or whenever you're ready for a break. Number 2. Moros Zero. Revolutionary vacuum drying technology. With our patented Vacuum Plus technology, the water can evaporate much faster. Your clothes will be dried much faster and well protected in this way. Sleek, minimalist, and elegant design. Moros Zero fits in almost any decorating styles. The innovative quality of this energy-efficient tumble dryer is emphasized by its appealing, unconventional overall image. Number 1. Couch Bunker. Imagine a fire-rated gun safe hidden inside a custom-built couch with bulletproof cushions with carry straps so they can be used on the fly as a shield. Now there is one. Couch Bunker patent pending is available in a wide range of styles, leather, and fabric coverings, creating choices from game room casual to living room formal. Charles Allen Incorporated, a Fort Worth contract furniture house, makes the couches to order. The optional bullet-resistant cushions, serving as portable personal shields, will stop a .44 Magnum at point-blank range. The vault is quick and easy to access. Simply remove the 3 seat cushions and open the 2 multi-lock key locks using just 1 key for both. For storage perspective, the safe will hold up to 30 rifles and other valuables. The safe and couch unit together weigh about 900 pounds. What do you think about the video? Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the Finest Tech HD.